Grubandtherangerz would like to take a moment to thank our sponsors.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Trash cans, guys.
Hey guys, Grubandtherangerz here, and this is part 1 of my Operation ValleySpring's Milsim series. Today, operating with us, we have Thomas, or Shadows, from my DOR Milsim unit. We also have Carson, or Wisconsin, from the amateur squad. And we also have Braden, or Short Stack, also from the amateur team, and then finally, squad leader me,
Okay, guys, we're gonna sit up here and see if
Patches.
we can see it
So
out.
we're going right here, as you can see in the upper corner. That is our map. There's the enemy FOB and our friendly FOB. And our objective for now is to go capture the
Look down through for barrels.
barrels. So there's 3 barrels, and each barrel we capture is worth 2 points. I mean 5 points. So I'll let you guys watch this, and I'll come in every once in a while.
Out there, right where, like behind where they're standing. The tan? Yeah. No, I think that's a stone.
They're moving up to us.
Did we start shooting at them?
Yeah. Oh, game on. Carson, you can see,
Get down, dude! Get down!
Damn.
I should have ran over there.
Oh my goodness. I'm having...
Dude,
Guys, Carson, you can only use semi-automatic.
I know, I am. Look.
They're moving up. Oh, their objective is that tire.
Shit, dude, they're going right for it. We should stop them.
Carson, you and Carson break off to go. There's a road down there. Go take the road.
Carson, go!
Why are you using your... Shit. Move back. Hold on. Support. Where's Tanner? He's down there somewhere. Guys, go down the road. It's along the road. Hold on, they're going to the objective. Let them go, and then we'll follow them through. Follow me. Trail them. Hold on, he's gonna try. Hold on, can you hit him from here? Yeah, they got the tire. Shit. Break them off. Break them off. Go. Make a run for it when I say. Go up. Hold on. They're going to come out right there. Go. Use this as cover. They're going to come out on both sides. Get ready. Be ready. They're right around. Thomas. Right there. Surrender.
Okay, guys, let's talk about what happened there. So, me and my teammate were getting ready to ambush them, or just come around them, but we had no idea if they knew if we were there or not because they were shooting. But what happened is our teammates had actually come around, and they heard them coming through the woods, tracking through there, if you saw on the map. And so what they did is they were shooting at them, just shooting some pot shots, and we thought they were shooting kind of in our direction, thinking we were somewhere up in the top of the tree line up behind us. And when we opened up, nothing happened except for there was an opening, and one of their squad gunner lit my partner Thomas up. And when the guy came around, I got up and he hadn't hit me. And if you saw, I tripped backwards. When I hit, if you heard that big clank, my suppressor smashed into the ground and I ripped my suppressor off sideways. So if you saw when I came back up at him, it was I was aiming properly, but my suppressor was blocking the BBs from coming out. So it gave the opposite opponent to come up and safety kill me. So.
Go back. Cut through there. Go, they think we're still right there. Huh? Do you hear him shooting? He's not shooting at us, is he? Is he shooting down the street? Where? Go. Cut through here. I want you to cut through here and just shoot at him. Where? Oh, he's got a dead rag on. Dude, Carson got somebody. He's moving down. They're moving. Shh. He's moving around. Open up! Hold on. They're out of range. Oh shit, you moved up. Dude, go in here. Go in here and go in. Look, dude. Look, dude, the best one. There's your trash barrel right there. Go into there. Take it as a post. No, go into it and use that levee over there. Yeah, use it. Go in. Go up against it and lay down on it. Thomas. Thomas, open up on him. Open up on him so I can run through and get the barrel. Why not? Thomas, contact! Right side! Thomas, you got him? You doing okay, Thomas? Dead man can't talk, guys. No. But they're yelling stuff and they're dead. Hit! Ow.
Okay, sorry, but guy with grenade launcher comes first.
It's the guy with the full auto.
Squad leader comes first.
Sorry. Brady, come on. After you heal.
Did they get that barrel that was there?
Dude, they can't find you.
Yeah, but we didn't want to get it. They were pinned on us.
Okay, me and Brayden will go around. We'll pin them from both sides. No. Yeah. That's a great idea.
Yeah, we did that before. And we got me and him. Almost got him.
Wait, did I tell you? Did you hear me telling you that they're behind you? Okay, guys.
I knew they were behind us.
I lost the walkie-talkie,
Okay.
and then I lost the magazine for
We'll
the
go
shotgun.
back where we were.
So the shotgun is still sitting over there. That's why I just done this. This is actually a shitty day. I should have just cried mine. Okay, I'm gonna go get your shotgun back. I'll be back.
Don't die.
What the fuck is this for?
My suppressor fell out.
This?
I landed on my suppressor, on my barrel.
One of my orange tips.
On the...
I got
Guys, the only reason I'm leaving this part in right here is to show you how, I mean, as you see in like a bunch of military pictures and a bunch of, military people who play Airsoft and just, military people in general, they have electrical tape on a carabiner. As you know, our actual support gunner on our team who couldn't make it this day, and my stepdad is actually in the military, and one of the things that I took that they all use is the electrical tape on the carabiner. You see right here, this is one of the many reasons if some part on your gun falls off,
Well, the guy who shot
electrical
me
tape
was
isn't a
with
permanent
the
fix. I
electrical
mean, obviously when I get back I can fix it, but I want to cover up that brass barrel so it's not giving away my position, plus I don't want to get mud in it. So right now I'm just doing my best to twist it on and then just wrap it up. So I hope that guys just let you know it's not just there for looks, it is also very helpful.
Wait for
Go get it.
Go get the barrel?
Yep, we're shooting. So you lost them. Oh yeah. That 19. What was that? Good. You can reattach, right?
Yeah, Delta ring.
You help me.
Crap, I don't know.